What is up, everybody? Ty the Adventure Guy here. I got Joe.
What's up, guys?
And I got Ken.
What's going on, everybody?
It's official. Hawks Outdoors is now a dealer for Hydralift. You can put these things on vans. You can put them on the Epic, as seen here. You can put it on the Storyteller Hilt. You can pretty much do whatever you want with it, but it's got a flat tow ability. You can flat tow a car, about 8,000 pound tow rating for it, 500 pound tongue weight coming down on it. Not only that, but you put a motorcycle up here, you can stick about 1,000 pounds up here and it'll lift it right up, lift it right back down. Check it out. Come get it at Hawks. We can do these things on pretty much anything. You know where to find us? Hawks Outdoors.